7729 Allano Way. So this is a favorite floor, one of our favorite floor plans, sorry. We have a lot of experience with it and it's done very well. So this particular townhouse is right across the street from extra guest parking and a green area, which is really nice. There's a walking trail really close to here, and there's lots of stores, freeway access, and all of that. So, oh yeah, so not only do you have all this guest parking, you can also park in front of this, in front of the home. And you can fit a small car here. So you have tile at the entry, and then you have laminate and this built-in bookcase. We have 2.5-inch blinds here, but this house does have a strong smoke odor to it. On a scale from 1 to 10 of intensity, with 10 being the most intense, I'd say the smell is probably about a 7.5 or an 8. So that would definitely have to be addressed. These would probably want to be cut back from the building, but that's not a big deal at all. Maybe cut some of that back as well. But it's possible that kills paint and pulling out the carpet will make a big difference. I see that there are paint cans over in the laundry room. I'm not sure why. It's very green, so I'll ask if they're planning on painting. The carpet looks great. I just don't know if we can keep it because of the smell of the smoke. Those are vinyl blinds over there. The light doesn't turn on in this room, but say it's pretty straightforward. That water fixture is looking pretty old. This is vinyl. That piece probably should be replaced, which is not a big deal at all. Cabinets look fine. That's the house.